welcome back to the channel. Everyone's heard of the 10 Commandments, right? Well, I've used that as inspiration for this design. I made the 10 Commandments of likability, or what I like to call Catch a Life. I didn't make this to preach or act like I have it all figured out. I made it because these are things I'm working on too. Now let's break down Catch a Life. C is for consistency. Stay true through actions, not moods. Show up, not only when it's convenient, but when it's hard. A is for accountability. Own mistakes and make them right. People respect honesty over excuses any day. T is for transparency. Be open and clear in your words and motives. Right people will appreciate the real you, not the filtered one. C is for courage. Speak and act with integrity even when it's hard. It may not always be easy, but it always matters. H is for humility. Remember, you're not above learning. Being humble doesn't make you small, it makes you approachable. A is for authenticity. Be real, not performative. Show your true self. L is for loyalty. Stand by others with honesty and dependability. This builds connections. I is for integrity. Do what's right even when unseen. It builds character. F is for fairness. Treat everyone with equal respect and understanding, even if you don't agree. And E is for empathy. Listen to others with heart, not judgment. It's how you bridge gaps, build trust, and make the world better. The design is done, and after hours of printing, it's finally time to put it together and see how it looks. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, hit that like button. And if you want to see more designs like this that hold meaning, subscribe, because being a good person shouldn't go out of style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.